How to buy Digimon token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before we go and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on MEXC. Go and find it. It's available there. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from there. And as you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, when you wait for that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address that you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you receive that token for. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to write all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. Now, after that, go and buy this token, and you will not be face or you will not face any issue after that. So this is how to buy Digimon token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.